So imagine you do this. You do the inspin flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you reverse into the antispin. Then back to the inspin, then reverse to the antispin. Then inspin, then reverse to the antispin, then inspin, then reverse to the antispin. We'll do inspin first, then antispin. Left over, right under, and 5, 6, 7, and inspin, and out, up, out. Now antispin, out, up, out. Now inspin, out, up, out. Now anti, out, up, out, and inspin, out, up, out, and anti, out, up, out, and inspin, out, up, out, and anti, out, up, out. Drills, they're good for our art. Okay, left over, right under, and 5, 6, 7, inspin, out, up, out, and down, anti, and inspin, and down, and anti, and inspin, and anti, and inspin, and anti, and inspin, and one more time anti, and one more time inspin. Well, it doesn't help if you have a move, if you don't know how to get into it. Let's do a quick little combo into it, right? So if you start in overhand butterfly, facing, so we're assuming the curtain is the front, or what, you know, my ass is the front for you. So let's just do this. We'll do a butterfly turnaround left, and then do a butterfly turnaround 360, but then go another 90 degrees so that you end up on the side here. And then from here, go into the inspin, dun, 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 then anti. And then I would repeat it again, inspin, and then anti. And then come back to the front and butterfly. Then you do the left butterfly turnaround, back to the front. Then the right butterfly turnaround, back to the front. Then one more position, then inspin, and then anti. Then inspin, and anti. Overhand butterfly, we'll do a left turnaround. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Left turnaround, bum, 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 bum. Then right turnaround immediately, bum, 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 bum. Come back to the front, then turn right again. And then inspin, then anti. Second time, inspin, and then anti. And then come to the front and butterfly, then left turnaround, bum, 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 bum. Then right turnaround, bum, 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 bum. The extra turn, then inspin, bum, 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 anti. Then inspin, and anti, and then back to the front. So, butterfly turnaround, and then go this way, and then butterfly turnaround, and then go this way. Ooh. So see how we're doing it on both sides?